There are some nice kiddie rides here. There's a U-Lane amusement, for the kiddies. Dream, some kind of like cleaner vacuum, colorless vacuum, wet and dry vacuum. Piano Land, of course, they sell piano, but they have a red piano. Yes, it's very interesting, right? The red piano and a white piano. I used to learn like piano composing, so I still know a little piano. The brand is called Vivo. There's a Paradise hot pot here, Hong Kong style. $3 mala hot pot. Oh, you must be careful the price, man. But here to enjoy limited time mala soup based hot pot. Nobody is here now. It's still like office timing. All you can eat from $9.90. $24.80. Now that's the plus once again. This video is about 10 things that tourists in Singapore should be aware of. The first thing, there's a plus behind the dollar. It means you have to pay at a 9% tax after this amount. So the further amount will be more than this. So do not be shocked, the plus. Interesting, Ben and Jerry, $1 per try, have a go. Wow. It's a confirm win one. You pay $1, but the setting is what? No, this is not confirm win. It's just a try only because of the claw machine. The view from the second floor. Downstairs, they are selling some CNY goodies of Ramadan. CNY is almost over. There's a Putian in the corner, no service charge. No GSA photo hub and Star Hub. Going down, I see Paradise Hot Pot. Le Tian Huang Chao. I used to eat here a couple years ago, but ever since the cost of living increased so much, and I'm thinking of buying something bigger. They did 6-figure Singapore dollars, so I cut out on all the restaurants and unnecessary expenses. Let's check out the basement for the food section. I'm just excited. When you're hungry, the best thing is head to the basement. Oh, this is a colorful shop selling perfumes. Dyson. What is this, man? Cat the Feeder. It's a kind of cafe selling freshly baked cheesecake. Let's have a look. Musu cheesecake. Sandwiches. Wow. It looks nice. Cafe, the Singapore Bear cheesecake. In the basement there's a Sushi Express. Korea belt concept of sushi. Hey, they're having a buffet now. Just $19.90 for per person. But that's on certain days. They call the White Day exclusive. And here the sun kitchen of the Thai food. Oh, that's a nice sakura flowers. I think it's a Japanese restaurant. There's a food junction food court right here, and I know Chinatown Dan Tutu Coconut Cake. I think the stuff is from Vietnam because it's just my instinct. $10 for 10. 120 which 4 piece.
For $10, so 5 is $5. Total $50. Oh, okay.
This kind of promotion plus one more. 吉祥贵 5 piece $2 10 piece 2 plus 2 bottles 吉祥贵 $15. So you say $1 basically. Hey, this food junction is new. You mean we went last time, it was like something kopitiam or something new with the flowers. And there's certainly to be opening special 50% off means busy and so more. And not only that, buy 2 get 1 free. I'm going to check this out. I'm very excited, man. Chinatown Dan Tutu Gui. Dan Tutu Coconut Cake. The Chuan Mi Fang, man. And they're having some promotion now. 5P 2 Gui and 1 box 吉祥贵 $8, 10P 2 Gui and 2 box 吉祥贵 is $15, so you save $1. And look at all the gui. There's even Angu Gui and the sweet bean. Mino Min Jiang Gui. TV special only from 2nd to 6th March. Which is like yesterday to a few days later, 3 to 7 p.m. You buy 2 get 1 free, lowest price. I think we feel no quarantine limit. Wow, there's a lot of flavors here. The kaya one, the peanut, original black charcoal, and some people are eating already. mini bowl. Our first impression very clean. Then lots of tables and chairs, and it's bigger than I thought, man. Wow, very clean. Prawn noodle laksa. How much the price? $8.20. And then the Ngoh Hiang Bee Hoon is also here. I think it's quite nice. This table here for individual diners, and over there will be tables for 6 persons, and tables for 2 persons. Amazing, man. I'm just going one round. There's a Mana Xiangguo right here. Yeah. Traditional herbal soup, 老虎锅汤. I can smell. Oh yeah, all the soup is here, man. Amazing. What steamed fish? What a name.